Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Vauxhall non-flip key. This was used for models starting from 2001 up until 2007. For models like Vauxhall Meriva, Vauxhall Tigra, Corsa even, and Combo as well. Okay, so in order to change the battery on this case, you have to turn the key around. I left it slightly open so I can show you the gap better. So you have a gap here which allows you to put a small flathead screwdriver and push it open. Okay, it slides out. Once you have this part out, you have the two sides of the case here. So you have two buttons on this side and you have one here that's holding it. So try and use the one on this side. So I found that it's easier to open from this side. Okay. When you open the case up, you have the battery on the back, which is a CR2032 in our case. Open the battery, and when you put the battery back in position, please slide it this way through. So firstly you put the plastic guide and then you push it through. Reason being, you have this metal here which connects with the battery and it has to be pushed down. Okay, so that it works. Align everything back together. Start with the two and click with on this side, and just pushes through. Put the blade back in place, and that is our Vauxhall key ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.